Okay, it's Stitch Fix day today. Thanks for joining me today. And if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a subscription box that your stylist chooses 5 items for you, and you get to send back what you don't want. It's free returns, free shipping both ways. Here's my bundle. You can put in some ideas of what you would like, and it's up to your stylist if they can fulfill what you would like. But yeah, there's a little comment section, and you can leave your stylist a comment of what you would like. Alright, so here's the bag to return anything I don't want. Here's my note. Here's my prices. We'll get that at the end. And first up is this dress. I requested, I have a wedding reception coming up to go to in next month. So I requested a dress. Alright, so this is Wimp. Oh, it's petite. So yeah, oh, that looks like I don't need it any longer. So yeah, I can't wait to try that on. This lace. It's got a zipper in the back and like that. Waistline. Okay, and ooh, this is super soft. Wow, so it's super thin too. Yeah, it'll be a little see-through, so it definitely needs undershirt. It's by, I believe, Kylie. I will put the description of all the clothes. It's made in the USA in the video. Probably at the end of the video I'll put all the description. Okay, so this is like a green color. Pretty. And here's this. Oh, this is actually pretty cute too. I like this lace in the back of it. Just goes a little bit like that, and then some pattern on the sleeve. This is by Skies Are Blue, and it's made in China actually. Yep. And this is a cardigan. It's by Cotton Emporium. It's 50% ultralic and 50% cotton, made in China. And you just wash it on gentle cycle. So that is pretty cute. And it's got pockets in the front, on the sides, kind of. It's got a little slit. And I got some jeans. They are by Sam Eldemum, maybe? They are skinny, high-rise, cute. I requested some black jeans. I wanted them to be like dark black, but I'll see about how these are. It's got the buttons on the back side. Well, these are cut off on the bottoms. Alright, so we'll try these on. Alright, here is the jeans on and the green shirt. There's the crisscross in the back. Alright, so the leg part looks like. So yeah, great length, I think. Alright, here's the shirt. Alright, the last thing is this cardigan. It is a little long on me. Yeah. Alright, and I just wanted to tell you guys that these, this shirt and these pants that I'm wearing is Stitch Fix as well. I'll put it in the back of the video if you want to see what brand it is. Alright, and let's get the prices. The Wisp Leah lace knit dress in black is $68. This is, I might keep it, I'm not sure, we'll see. Alright, so the high-rise button jeans in black is $98. I will be returning these for sure. They're just not my style. Right, and let's see, this embroidered detailed top, it says that off-white. It's $54. Okay, and this cotton one in tan, it is $44. I think I'll be returning this sweater. I think it's a little bit long for me, but we'll see if I change my mind. And this black, it says black detail knit top, crisscross in the back. That one is $38. Okay, so this Stitch Fix box it came to $302, and then if I buy everything I get a 25% off, and that would be minus subtract $75.50. So then my new subtotal would be $226.50. So yeah, I won't be keeping everything, so I won't get the 25% off. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you like my video. And thank you for watching, and God bless. And Joshua Gamer, if you want to subscribe to his channel. He's my son.
Me.
Alright, bye guys.
Hope you liked the video.